Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Okta in Zapier connected no-code apps. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Okta in Zapier, start by logging into your Okta account. In the Okta dashboard, navigate to the admin section. Select applications from the menu. Click on the Add Application button. Choose Create New App to initiate a new application setup. Select Web as the platform and click Next. Under Sign-in method, choose Okta. Give your application a name and fill in the necessary details. For the login redirect URIs, enter the Zapier URL provided during the Zap setup. Click Next to continue through the setup prompts. Once you reach the Sign-on section, note the client ID and client secret. Return to the General section and locate the Trusted Origins option. Add Zapier's origin by entering the provided URL. Click Save to confirm your configurations. Now head over to your Zapier account. Select the app you want to connect with Okta. In the authentication settings, choose Okta as your method. Enter the client ID and client secret received from the Okta dashboard. Follow the prompts to complete the authentication process. Once authenticated, you'll be able to access your Okta-connected apps within Zapier. Test your connection to ensure everything is working correctly. Now you're ready to automate workflows using Okta and Zapier seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel